Why Rowan is funny dog?
What? Why Rowan what?
Why Rowan is funny dog?
Why you say Rowan is a funny dog? Why did you say that?
Because he looks strange. Why her hands look strange? Because he's funny dog.
He looks like funny dog?
Yeah.
Oh, you are funny dog.
I'm not funny dog. I just look crazy.
No, I'm not crazy. You crazy.
What?
Why you say I'm crazy?
How did you say that?
Why you say that?
That's bad words.
Yeah, I know that's bad word, but you say bad words.
No, you say that.
Don't say bad words.
What? How did you know that? Crap.
Oh, did you know that you're the one saying that to me? That
What? Why you just say that? Are you crazy?
I'm not crazy. You crazy, Primo.
Are you look strange or what?
What?
You look strange or what are you doing?
What I look like?
Why you look like a dog?
I'm not look a dog. You crazy?
Why you look strange or what?
You? Why you tell me I look like a dog? Are you look like a dog? That's bad. That's bad, kid boy. Don't do that. That's bad, okay? You not love Wawa? Are you fighting with Wawa?
No, I'm playing.
You playing. Why you fighting with Wawa?
Because you look like a funny.
I'm not funny. You funny.
Are you look strange?
Why you always tell me that I'm funny? You are the one saying funny. You funny. You funny dog.
Are you crazy or what are you doing on your funny dog or what?
What are you doing? I'm not doing anything to you. What are you doing?
What?
I'm just here. Alaga ti Rowan.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about? I don't say anything.
No, I make a solar system with that out like that.
You making solar system?
Yeah, I'm building.
Why did I disturb you?
Yeah.
Yeah, how can I disturb you? You're the one talking to me. You're talking bad words to me and Rowan.
No.
That's bad.
No.
You don't talk bad words, okay? Okay? Hey. It's your birthday, right? Are you birthday tomorrow? Rima? It's your birthday tomorrow? Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. It's your birthday tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you sing birthday na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Look at me.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
To me.
To me.
It's Prima's birthday. Yay! How old are you?
4.
4? Very good. Okay, say bye-bye na to them.
Bye-bye.
Love you all.
Love you.
Welcome to
Welcome to
Pupu TV.
No.
Are you Pupu TV?
Mm.
Because you always pupu.
Why you look bad? Don't say bad words.
I'm not saying bad words. You're the one saying bad words to Wawa.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you look strange?
No. Look at the Rowan. He is dead na. Bye-bye.